Hi, how you doing? This is Rich from RICHTVLIVE, and it was another crazy day in the markets. Again, another bloodbath overall in the cannabis sector. Again, canopy growth got hammered today. Aurora was down again. I mean, we're just seeing blood everywhere on the streets in the cannabis sector. But the silver lining, in my opinion, was that Canntrust, out of all the stocks that should have been red today, Canntrust was green. Not only were they green, at one point they were up like huge, like 17%. At one point, I think they finished up 5%. Still kind of surprising considering everything they've been through. Another company that had a nice day today was Sunniva, tight float stock. They've had a tough go of it recently, and they had a nice little run up to close to $2, and then they came back down, and today they had a nice jump up again, back at $1.52 today. So it was nice to see Sunniva have a nice day. And Halo Labs, nice to see Halo Labs having a nice day. Told you guys, Halo Labs, 9.6 million in revenue. Just did a deal with Caliva. I've been interviewing the CEO and talking to him tons. We're talking about like a 30-cent stock in Canada. And these guys are in the extraction space. They're in the CBD space. They're working with Caliva, who's doing a deal with Jay-Z. No brainer. 9.6 million in revenue. 9.6 million in revenue, and they're at 30 cents in Canada. I think it's a no-brainer. I think Halo Labs is a great company. I think they have huge upside, huge potential. Like I said, this entire sector is beaten down. I don't think you can really understand why. I mean, everything goes red, and the company who gets their license suspended goes green? How do you explain that? I don't think you can explain it. This entire sector is highly manipulated, and I think Canntrust going up proves it. I mean, this company gets their license suspended, and the stock goes up. Canntrust has no sales, no revenue. The Alberta gaming company returned $1.3 million of product, and Canntrust stock goes up. Halo Labs has more revenues than IIPR. IIPR was trading at $97 last time I looked. And Halo Labs is trading at 30 cents. And meanwhile, they have more revenues than IIPR. I don't think very much in the sector can be explained. This sector is crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Nothing can really be explained. There's really no real fundamentals to determine where these stocks can go. And yeah, man, it's been crazy, man. These last 6 months have been absolutely crazy. And it's really difficult to determine where anything's going to go right now because there is no real fundamentals backing any of these stocks. IIPR is at $97 with less revenues than Halo Labs, which is at 30 cents. How do you explain this? What I can tell you is one of our members on Telegram, eDog, brought us a pick, and I'm going to break it down for you guys so you guys can learn more about this company, because he brought us this pick at 18 cents. Today it hit 22 cents, so it has been climbing, and he brought a lot of good reasons to our community as to why he thought the stock was undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. The stock has been going up in the cannabis sector, tight float, strong management team and board that they're building behind this stock, and they're still at 22 cents. So I'm going to do some more research, and I'm going to bring this stock to you guys later. I'm literally just driving. Just did an interview with Acudia Ads. Oh my goodness. $100 million in revenue, $1.30 stock. And I just interviewed the CEO. Stay tuned. This is your boy Rich from RICHTVLIVE. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you winners, and we bring them to you first. Yes, the cannabis sector is heavily under attack. Heavily under attack. And we see a lot of red everywhere. But this is a buying opportunity for those that want to win in the cannabis sector. In order to win, you want to buy low, sell high. Right now, we are seeing the entire sector under attack. It is a great buying opportunity. We're seeing 52-week lows across the board. The key right now is to do the research, spend more time doing research, looking for the best, looking for the blessed, looking for undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. Buy them at 52-week lows, position yourself now, and wait for the resurrection. Because when the resurrection comes, it's going to be epic. And those of you that are patient and that are getting in at these lower levels are going to win big. It's true. If you want to win, this is the time to get in, man. Because we're seeing 52-week lows across the board, all over the place. We are in a sector right now that is very news driven. It's retail heavy. It's short heavy. It's market maker manipulated, and it's news driven. Article comes out saying that Aurora cannabis is overvalued, stock goes down. Article comes out saying that canopy growth is going to be building tons of debt and is not going to be making any revenues. Stock goes down. We are in a news driven market. There are no fundamentals backing anything right now, because you got stocks like IIPR trading at $97 with less revenue than Halo Labs, which is trading at 30 cents. Then you got Aurora Cannabis trading lower than a lot of their peers, but yet they've got more revenues than everybody else in the sector. This sector is crazy. This sector is volatile. Be very, very careful when you invest in anything in the cannabis sector. Do not invest in anything that we talk about on our show. Invest in a company because you've done the research, you've done the due diligence, and you believe that that is a great investment. Our modus operandi here is to bring you educational and entertaining content so that you can take that information, digest it, research those companies, and hopefully you can make your own decisions about which companies you want to invest in. We are really growing. We're getting out of just the cannabis sector, and we're starting to get into every sector. So you're going to see us interviewing CEOs from every single sector in the world, and our goal is to be able to educate the public about every single major public company before anybody else on the planet. That is our goal, and we will achieve that goal. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. It's your boy Rich from RICHTVLIVE. We bring you winners, and we bring them to you first. Halo Labs, big day. Sunniva, big day. And Canntrust, green day. Two green days in a row for Canntrust, who just got their license suspended. Apparently now, if you want to go green, all you got to do is get your license suspended. It's true. Obviously, I'm saying that tongue in cheek. I'm just kidding. Anyone that's invested in Canntrust, congratulations on them going green, even though they just had their license suspended. I hope this continues. It's definitely a bullish sign for the sector, even though the sector is deep in red. It's a buying opportunity, folks. You heard it from your boy. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring the winners, and we bring them to you first. Have yourselves a nice day. I'm out. Peace.